This is a continuation of our previous class on electrostatics. I just want to revise on those topics what I had taught in the last class. The first one is electric charge. What is an electric charge? Electric charge is a fundamental property of a particle. So it is the fundamental property, and the value is Q. Actually it is represented by the letter Q. And what is electric field? Electric field are those lines or parallel lines of forces. We call electric field. Electric field are those parallel lines of forces. Next one is, we use this symbol 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So when it has a value, the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. So this is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Why we use this value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? We use this value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. So when we find electric potential, we use this formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. So the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square coulomb square. And what is dipole? Dipole is a small distance, and it is the distance between two opposite charges, maybe plus Q and minus Q, separated by a small distance d, and it is called dipole. Then what is meant by dipole moment? Dipole moment is given by the formula 2pq or 2aq. So this is a product of the distance and the charge. So this is given by the formula 2aq, and it is represented by the symbol P. So this is a definition of dipole moment. Now we will move on to the next topic. Calculate the electric field due to a dipole on an axial line. So we are now calculating the electric field due to a dipole which is on the axial line. So here, so dipole is AB, that is the distance between AB is represented by A plus A to A, and between the opposite charges minus Q and plus Q. So the center point is O. The distance between O to the point C is R. So C is a point which is at a distance of R from O. Now we calculate the formula, the electric field due to minus Q. So due to the charge minus Q, this electric field is due to the charge minus Q, and this electric field is due to the charge plus Q. We calculate this using the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. Instead of R square, we replace this R square R minus A the whole square, because so here you see this is the whole distance R and this distance is A. So R minus A the whole square. So this is the distance between B and C. So R minus A the whole square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R minus A the whole square into P vector. So this is the electric dipole using from the point charge minus Q. Again the same electric dipole from the point charge plus Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R plus A square. So R plus A means from this point A to C. So the distance is R, from O to C the distance is R, and from A to O the distance is A. Therefore R plus A the whole square. So this is from the point minus Q, and this is from the point plus Q. Now we add the total. Okay, so the charge due to minus Q and plus Q is equal to E plus E minus. So we add both the values, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q square bracket 1 by R minus A the whole square minus 1 by R plus A the whole square. This represents the formula A minus B A plus B, and in short we can simplify this by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 1 by R square minus A square the whole square into P. So this represents A square minus B square, A minus B the whole square, A plus B into A minus B is represented here as A square minus B square. the whole square. Now this A, since R is very greater than A, this is negligible. Therefore, we don't consider this A. Now here, when we can simplify this, this leads to the answer 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 R A, where by R to the power of 4 Q into P. This R and this R gets, one R gets cancelled, and now the answer is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 Q P by R cubed. And this can be further simplified into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2P by R cube. So this is the expression we get for the derivation to find the electric field due to a. Now the next one, calculate the electric field due to a dipole on an equilateral line. So equilateral line, we take this diagram. Okay, here the point between A and B. So the dipole is A and B, and C is a point at a distance R from O. O is the midpoint of A and B, and C is equidistant to A and equidistant to B. So that is the distance between CA and CB are equal. So here, since these two distances are equal, the magnitude is the same, only the direction differs. So there are two components here, vertical component and horizontal component. Here E sin theta is the vertical component. Actually this is opposite in direction, so it gets nullified. E sin theta plus E plus sin theta and E minus sin theta both get nullified because it is in opposite direction. So the only component we have here is E cos theta. E cos theta also has two components, E plus vector and E minus vector. So this is represented by this diagram. And here if you see E, so E total equal to E plus cos theta, then minus E cos theta P vector. So we derive the value as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square the whole square, okay, plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square the whole square. Okay, here also P vector and here also P vector. So what will be the total value for this expression? Okay, equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2Q by 2Q cos theta. Since we have this cos theta component, we take here 2Q cos theta by R square plus A square the whole square. And cos theta equal to is given by 1 by root of A square plus R square plus A square. So this further deriving this expression, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2Q cos theta by R square plus A square the whole square, and here it is root of R square plus A square. Now the value gets simplified as 3 by 2. So the 3 by 2 here is coming because here R square plus A square the whole square plus root of R square plus A square. Root of R square plus A square is R square plus A square to the power of 1 by 2, and here R square plus A square to the power of square. So when we add these two, 2 plus 1 by 2, it comes 3 by 2. So R square plus A square to the power of 3 by 2. And this 2Q cos theta can be simplified as P. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by, here this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, P by R cubed. And we leave this A square component since R is very greater than A. We leave this A square component, and hence we get a simplified expression like this, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by R square. But here the value becomes minus. Why? Because since the dipole is minus P, the electric field due to the dipole minus P, the value Also we get as negative value minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon to b by r square. So this is because of the dipole moment minus p. And is greater than a, r is very greater than a, 1 by r cubed. Sorry, here we have r cubed, not r square, r cubed. 1 by r cubed varies to 1 by r square, since r is very greater than a. And is valid only when r is very greater than a. That is, r is much greater than a. This expression gets valid. That's all.